Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in this session of Inkscape tutorial, we will see how to use gradient or reverse gradient effect in our image using this particular software. So I am opening the Inkscape software here. So for this I will open one PNG file. So the PNG for MnO2 I am opening here. Okay. So this is the PNG file that I have just opened. So this one is the exported file from my Vesta software. So before going ahead, we can crop this image. So I am using the same way as we have already done before and make it transparent first. Yes. Now we can adjust the boundaries to set a particular clip. Okay. Okay, so next is to enter press the shift and set the clip. Yes, so now this is our structure. So we want to add a gradient effect so that we can take a particular shape. So here the shape I am taking as a circle, so I will draw a circle. So this is a circle. So here I want to fill the inside part of the circle. So okay, this color is fine, and after clicking on this circle I will come to this arrow. So here you see that there are some filling arrangements, like this is the fill, this is some kind of arrangements are given here. So I will press one by one and you can see the changes. So the first one is already clicked, and next I am clicking on this one. You can see that the pattern is half up, like this way it is yellow color and that way it is red white color, and next is the center one is yellow and other part is whitish, and here it is white is along two side of the end and yellow is along other two side, and this is a kind of texture pattern something, and this is the fully like filled. So same way we can arrange our figure, like whatever we want we can arrange. So if I will go with this, and so this is like this pattern, and I will take this to over the figure, like over this image, and I can arrange this circle so that it can cover the figure completely. This way I can do. Okay, it is fine now. So what we can see that this is like inside this in this pattern, inside is yellow and outside is white. So what if we want to do the reversing, that is if we want the outer side to be yellow and inside to be white. So for this we want to click, first press on G, like you can press on the letter G. So you can see after pressing this letter G, this effect has came, and this is nothing but the gradient effect. So after pressing G, the gradient effect will it will start responding about the gradient effect. Next is we can enter shift plus R together. So you see I have entered shift plus R, and now the gradient effect is changed. So earlier it was yellow is like on the center, and outside it was white, now it is reversed. So this way we can arrange our figures if we want some gradient filling or something. So we can do it like this, and some other things are also there, and we can change the color accordingly. So here we have taken yellowish, we can go ahead, and this you can see that how the color is changing from the inside part to the outside part. So this way you can change your color and you can add some like better look to your figures. So thank you all, and bye bye.